Hello, everybody. So I owe you this walk of the version one of Treepl CMS from yesterday's send pile. So I'll do that again really quick, and also there are several clarifications and for the hosting plans and for the features for emails and stuff that I will that are updated on the website, and I will share. Um, Details on those, and thanks for your feedback for all those questions because we actually shaped our offer a little better. So this is the template, one of the templates that is included as a free template in the partner portal. And yeah, we implemented most of the modules of the version 1. So let me go through and show you how things work. So I go to admin. Yeah, you're gonna have your logo here. Remember that. This is the Google Analytic feed, and I shared about that yesterday. And we will add more feeds in here. These are just the 3 that we chose for the demo. And this is where you set up the analytics. So you just put the tracking ID and view ID. It's fairly easy. Click save, and you get your analytics stuff right into here. Let's go to pages. So I have everything organized here. Let's go to static one column. So we have it open right here. Static one column. So what's new? Well, first of all, we have SEO tab. It's a separate tab, and we have a preview of in the site search of the title. Let's change it, and you can change it in the real time, the same as description. And yeah, and we have AMP here as well, and I added the AMP layout sample to show you how that works. And here's the canonical link. So let's click save, and we have the title changed. And if we go to inspect element really quick, go to head, and this is the title, this is the meta description, here's your canonical link, and this is the AMP layout generated. And we have also Google Analytics automatically plugged in here. Yeah, so if we go and look at that page, this is the AMP version of the page, and we can see that over here, right? Accelerate mobile pages right here. Okay, file manager. Yeah, let's go to file manager and show you how the file manager works. So we have a file manager built in here, so you can call it out as so. And let's pick this image and paste it somewhere instead of this image, for example. And the cool thing is that when I set SEO, I can actually add alternative text right in here. Click copy, and I can replace existing image with this one with the alternative text that I have just entered. Should be pretty neat feature that you guys would appreciate, and you can upload new, of course, right through from in here. Let's move forward to, let me unclick analytics done, pages done. My wife is calling. Sorry about that. Content templates. Let's go to content templates. These are in the settings, and this is where we manage the content templates, let's go to inner template, and we also have AMP content separately down here. There's no WYSIWYG for content templates because your clients won't need that. And you can set the default content templates, and they will be shown in here, markings here. Let's go to File Manager. File Manager. Go to Content and File Manager. First of all, we have a console here. Let's go to Menu Layouts. Oh, we can actually navigate the folders through here as well. And we have a liquid layout, and yeah, so we have a console over here that you can use right from the browser. Now, drag and drop feature. Drag and drop feature works perfectly. Let me try uploading something. Yep, so it's right here. Deleting, and you can do the multiple uploading, and the click here already also works. You can, oops, yeah, something, yeah, we're back. We have the list view, and image resizing. Yeah, that's a thing that a lot of people would appreciate. So these are all the image resizing options you can have in Treepl CMS. So you can do resize, cropping, format, and a background color, and we gave that to beta testers a couple of weeks ago. Works great. So this is a step up from BC in image processing. Let's move forward to blog. So we made blogs much more powerful than what BC offers, and we have two blogs on this particular template. So if we go to blog, yeah. Oh, we have separate detail layouts, right? Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I should mention that. So we have separate list layouts and separate detail layouts. Oh, so we have separate detail layouts for each blog that you can manipulate in here, right? So these are right here: blog, general blog layout, general blog 2 layouts, and you can edit those separately. And when you actually go in here, you can choose the layout. So every post may have as many layouts as you want, as many unique layouts as you want. That's one thing. Another thing is categories. Like in BC, you can add and create new categories. Yeah, right through in here, and you'll get that appeared in the list. Yeah, so, and you can delete that too. The same thing with tags. You can delete it from here and manage it right from here. And we also have SEO, the same as with pages, so you can change all that. So we basically made the SEO tab available for every module. So for the costume modules, it's the same thing, so it's universal. And we also have AMP as well, and canonical link. Well, one thing I want to show you that really gets me excited is authors that BC didn't have. Is I guess this one, yeah, it has an author. So we have authors managed separately. So an author can be it's in the settings. So we have Martin Love right here, and Martin can, I can manage his layout. I can add some text in here, and I can have as many authors as I want. But the cool thing is that I can also and they're not admin users, so authors is just a separate entity. You don't have to make it an admin user. And the cool thing is that with blogs, with authors, is if we go to testimonials, we can add an author in the properties. We can enable author. By the way, we can enable tags and categories as well, and it's unique. Categories and tags are unique per module. It's not global for all the website. So we enable the author, and then we go to, let's say, Rob Smith, and if we want for that particular custom module to have an author used, we just choose him right here. So Martin Love would be there, so we can render authors on custom modules. Yeah, so let's move further. We're doing much better than I did yesterday. For now, Toolbox. So you guys love Toolbox from BC, and we made something a little different and I think more convenient. So we have components. Let me go to pages again, and we have components, and this is where you get the access to all the modules that are available in the CMS. So let's go. We have a site search here, by the way, as well, but let me show you. Yeah, so site search, you just copy the code and it gets this is how you paste it. It just gives you all the code in here. This is how you get site search. This is how we implemented that. But the cooler things that you guys will appreciate a lot is if we go to custom modules, this would be changed to custom modules. So, and you get a list of items. So this is the list of all the custom modules in here. So let's say we go take a slider and choose the layout, and we have filter by. And by the way, we can have author, choose author here as well. And here's Martin Love again. Limit, you can have as much, you can have 1,000 or more than 500. Yay for that. And sort by, we have a sort by field here as well. And you get the liquid code. Huh? Oh, sort order. Yeah, ascending, descending. And you get the liquid code that's get generated automatically that you can paste whatever you want. This is really cool. This is like really cool. Good job, code production. Now let's go to banners. So this is how we replace banners, annotators with banners. So on the website, we have this page. As you can see, each time I reload it, it has these the image changes. And I'll just show you how to replace the image. So basically, these are 3 images, and you can go in. If you don't like this image, go to components, go to file manager, I'm sorry, and choose any other image you want. Copy to clipboard. Bam, done. And if I reload several times, this image has been replaced. Super easy, super convenient. Snippets. Snippets, I showed that a little bit yesterday, but we actually have we have IDs, alias name instead of IDs. And let's go to header. Header, as you can see, consists of the menu and of the snippet, main nav snippet, which looks just like this. And it has the search option that has been pasted from the components, as you remember. So it's present right here. Let's go further. Banner snippets, galleries and sliders, very simple. It's pretty much, so when we go to galleries, yeah, these are all the galleries we have implemented, and they're fairly easy to implement. So we have them here as each and so these are all the images that you can edit separately, and the layouts are managed in here. Super nice. Now let's go to FAQ. It's pretty much the same as other modules. So here we have two groups, and they are done right in here. Yeah, so you can manage each separately. Okay, custom modules. We have some, I hope you've seen our previous videos on the custom modules. I already mentioned that for portfolio, like these, let's actually take a look through the website. So portfolio, as you can see, the list layout has these categories, and guess what? These are the categories that are unique only for portfolio. So you have them here, and there's nothing extra. Yeah. And there's a nesting feature I've shown 2 weeks ago where you can have create collections of custom modules into one custom module. So this is something that you guys really would appreciate coming from web apps. Menu. Let me show you menu, how menu works. So menu, you should appreciate how menu works actually, because so we have this menu implemented, and we can just drag and drop. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a mobile nav. Yeah, I should get back to main nav. So we just drag and drop, and I think I don't even have to click save, right? I don't even have to click save. It changes. So you can change it inside in here. Yeah, as you can see, you guys should totally appreciate that. And here are your settings for each item. Really cool. Okay, form build and forms build. So for forms, it's fairly simple for now. We're adding some stuff in it. We did it very simple, but we want to finish it, make it fully working, make a full version before August 1st. It's contact us. We have on contact us we have this form and 3 fields. So basically this is the form. We can add site, these are the default. We can add custom, let's name it test, checkbox list, and required field. And I need to make, and we have the edit layout. I need to make this little hack to for the layout to be rendered, and click save. So I get my checkbox. Where's my checkbox? Oh, shouldn't have done this. Yeah, forms need some little work. let me add something else. Drop down list? No. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna add custom fields. Oh, so I'm just gonna remove this. Add phone. That should be enough. And this settings, this is where you set up the notifications, and we're working right now on being able to add the liquid code from components, basically right in here, so you could build your own autoresponders. So this is something that the team works right now that should be done very fast. Yeah, so we have one more thing to show. That is table. This is probably the only thing that needs work, but we really wanted to give you a preview of this particular feature. The admin users, well, one of the as you remember, I have logged in as an admin with admin email. So this my partner email. So this is not counted as one of the admin user. Partner is not counted as one of the admin users. Let me add new user. New.com, and I have 111. So I click save, and I have the new admin user here. For now, in version 1 we're gonna have only admin users. So if I log out and what was it? New.com, right? 111, and I log in. Works. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the version 1 demo. Walk through features. I have also added the information on email overages and ability to upgrade to 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 gigabytes up to 100 gigabytes for your email storage, and you can also add additional email addresses for $5 a month, and it's not related, it's not tied to admin user. Also, we had wild discussions here on the trial sites, and we want to give more abilities for trial sites, understanding that you have to, sometimes you need more than 30 days to develop the website. So that limitation kind of, it wasn't kind of a good thing. So we decided we're probably going to make trial sites with unlimited expiry dates, and we would tie it to the storage. So we would just limit it to the storage rather than expiry dates. So you will have the partner site. We're going to tie it to your partner site. You will tell us that this is my partner site. So all the storage and bandwidth used on expiry. Sorry, my wife again. All the storage and the bandwidth will basically be counted towards. All the storage and the bandwidth used by trial sites will be counted towards your partner site. So that way, we just give you full freedom with the trial sites. This is it. Though I hope this shed more light on version 1. And yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. Have a wonderful day.